Oh, wag kang alayo. Maglayo-layo kayo ah.
The boat is sinking. Group yourselves in two. Five nakaupo.
5 na nakaupo. Oh. Ayaw palaban sila. Ayaw nila. Naka-safe daw. Ulitin, palitan ng number. Hindi. Nalabas ka na, di ba kuya? May kon ka na. Ay, ikaw magsabi. Sige. Ilan na lang sila? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 2, 4, 6, 7. Oy, pinakamahuli. 4 daw. Oh, yung 3 wala na. Yung 3, 4 na yun oh.
The boat is sinking.
Three. Oh, nahuli si ate. Oh, kakatalikod. Magkakatalikod. Layo, layo. Layo din na.
The boat is sinking.
Oh, nagagaling kayo. Sige. The friendship is over. Oh, ate. Layo mo yan sa ate. Ate Pink. Ate Pink. Oh.
Maghahawak ng kamay ah. The boat is sinking. Dalawang kamay. The boat is sinking. Drop yourselves into two. Okay, ganyan natin yung price kay Ate